In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse channels in Slack. If you've just joined a workspace or you want a clearer view of what conversations are happening across your organization, browsing channels is the quickest way to get oriented. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know exactly where to look and what you're seeing. Start on the left side of your Slack window and click the Home tab. This is your main hub, and it's where Slack gathers tools that help you discover people, teams, and ongoing discussions. From here, go to Directories. Think of the Directories area as a catalog for your workspace. It's designed to help you find what you need without hunting through individual messages. In this space, Slack usually groups people and channels so you can explore them side by side. Once you're in Directories, head to the Channels tab. This tab focuses specifically on the channels available in your workspace. Selecting it tells Slack you want a clean, organized view of the places where conversations are happening, whether they're around projects, departments, or topics of interest. It keeps things tidy and reduces the noise so you can focus on the bigger picture. Here, you'll see your list of channels. Each entry typically shows the channel name, a short description or topic, and sometimes details like how active it is or how many members are involved. This snapshot helps you quickly understand the purpose of a channel at a glance. You may also notice small icons that indicate whether a channel is public or private. Public channels are discoverable across the workspace, while private ones are restricted. Your view reflects what you have access to, based on your workspace's settings. As you look through the list, take a moment to read the descriptions. They're there to help you understand which channels are relevant to your role, your projects, or your interests. If your workspace has well-written topics and descriptions, you can learn a lot without opening anything else. It's a helpful way to map out how teams collaborate and where key announcements might live. And there you go. That's all it takes. Home on the left, go to Directories, then the Channels tab, and your list of channels will be right in front of you. With this simple flow, you can confidently navigate Slack and get a clear view of the conversations that matter most in your workspace.